Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So our topic is how to solve exponential equations with different bases. So this is just a continuation of our previous lesson about exponential equations with same bases on both sides. So without further ado, let's do this topic. Okay, so how to solve exponential equations with different bases. So let us start with this exponential equation. So as you can see, the left side's 5 raised to the power of x and to the right side, which is 13, are not same, or they are not similar in terms of their bases. So if this is the case, we will apply the concept of logarithm. So this is how to solve this problem. Okay, so we will take the log of 5 raised to the power of x and 13. So this is log log 5 to the power of x is equals to log 13. Okay, so next step is to take down this exponent x to the front of the log. So it will transfer here. So it becomes now x log of 5 is equals to the log of 13. Okay, so it has divide both sides by the log 5. Okay, log 5. Then cancel. What is left is x equals to the log of 13 and the log of 5. Okay, so next we will get a calculator and take the log of 13. So this is 1.11 and the log of 5 is 0.7. Okay, so divide 1.11 and 0.7, so that is our value of x. Let us write it here. That is equals to 1.59. Okay, so that is how to solve an exponential equations with different bases that cannot be made the same. Okay, so next, exponential equations with different bases. So this is how to solve. Write 3 to the power of x then we'll transpose this negative 1 to the right as right 4. Then this negative 1 will become now positive 1. Okay, so 3 to the power of x is equals to 5. Okay, so next we will take the log of 3 to the power of x equals to the log of 5. Okay, so we will take this exponent to the front of the log, so it becomes now x log of 5, log of 3 equals to log of 5. Then divide both sides by log 3. Log 3. Then we can cancel. What is left is x is equals to log of 5 over log of 3. Okay, so let us do it here. Okay, so the log of 5, get your calculator, then type the log first, then press 5. Okay, so the log 5 is equivalent to 0.7. 0.7. Okay, let's erase 0.7. Then the log of 3 is 0.47. Okay, so just divide 0.70 over 0.47, so the result is 1.49. Okay, that is 1.49. Let us write it here. Sorry. Okay. .49. So that is how to solve an exponential equations with different bases that cannot be made the same. Okay, so let's go to another problem or exponential equation. Okay, so what about this exponential equation? 3 raised to the power of 2x minus 1 is equals to 10. Okay, so we will take also the log. So the log of 3 to the power of 2x minus 1 equals to the log of 10. Okay, so we will take this exponent to x minus 1 to the front of the log. So it becomes now 2x minus 1 and log of 3 is equals to log of 10. Log of 10. Okay, so then divide both sides by log 3. Okay, is log 3, then cancel. So what is left is 2x minus 1 is equals to log 10 over log of 3. Okay, so next we will take the log of 10 and 3. So we will divide the log of 10 and divide by the log of 3. So this is 2x minus 1. Then get your calculator, then type log or press log and press 10. So what is the log of 10 is 1. Next, press the log 3. So the equivalent of log 3 is 0.477. Okay, so let us transfer it here. So 2x minus 1 is equals to So when we divide 1 over 0.477, the result is 2.1. Then transpose this negative 1 to the right. So we have 2x equals to 2.1. So this negative 1 will become positive 1. Okay, so 2x. So let us add 2.1 plus 1, that is 3.1. Next, divide both sides by 2. We cancel 2. So our x is equals to 1.55, approximately 1.55. Okay. So next problem, 7 raised to the power of 3x is equals to 5. Okay, so let us also take the log of 7 and 5. So log of 7 to the power of 3x equals to the log of 5. Okay, then take down this exponent 3x to the front of the log. So it becomes 3x to the log of 7 equals to the log of 5. Then divide both sides by log 7. Use log 7. Then cancel. So what is left is 3x. 3x. So that is equals to the log of 5 over the log of 7. Okay, so then we will take the log of 5. So the equivalent of log 5 is 0.770. Then the log of 7 is 0.85. 85. Okay, so divide 0.770 by 0.85. So that is 3x equals to 0.82. Then divide both sides by 3. Cancel 3. So what is left is x is equals to 0.82 divided by 3. That is 0.3. Okay, approximately. Okay, so that is how to solve an exponential equations with different bases that cannot be made. Okay, so what about this problem? So this is a complex problem on exponential equations with different bases on both sides that cannot be made the same. So this is how to solve. We'll just take the log of both sides. So log of 2 to the power of x minus 1 equals to log of 3 to the power of x plus 1. Okay, so next we will take down this exponent. Becomes at the front. So our x minus 1 is at the front of log 2. As well as this exponent x plus 1. will be at the front of log 3. Okay, so next is we will multiply this log 2 to x and minus 1 or negative 1. So it becomes x log 2, then negative log 2 is equals, also multiply this log 3 to x plus 1. So this becomes x log 3 plus log 3. Okay, so next is we will transpose this x log 3 located at the right, will transpose to the left. Okay, so let us write x log 2, then since it is positive, it becomes negative x log 3. Then bring down this positive log 3, then transpose this negative log 2 to the right, becomes positive log 2. Okay, so next take the factor of this x log 2 minus x log 3. Let us take the common variable, which is x, then log 2 minus log 3. Okay, then equal to log 3 plus log 2. Then divide both sides by log 2 minus log 3. This log 2 minus log 3. Okay, then cancel. So what is left is x equals to log 3 plus log 2 that is log 2 over log 2 minus log 3. Okay, so next take your calculator and then press log 3 to get the value of log 3. So the value is 0.4771 plus the value of log 2, which is 0.3010. Then divide by the value of log 2, it is 0.310 minus the value of log 3 is 0.4771. Then let us add the value of log 3 and log 2. So this becomes now 0.771 81 over the value of log 2 minus the log 3, that is negative 0.1761. So let us divide 0.7781 by negative 0.1761. So that is equals to negative 4.418. Okay, so that is the value of our x. So that is how to solve the exponential equations with different pieces on both sides that cannot be made the same. So until next video, thank you for watching.